Unlocking the mystery of phrasal verb patterns and variations. Hello everyone! Today, we are going to delve into an exciting part of the English language, phrasal verb patterns and variations. This will be a deep dive into separable and inseparable phrasal verbs. Don't worry if it sounds a bit complicated now, we'll break it down together. Phrasal verbs are a combination of words that, when used together, take on a different meaning than the original verb. They usually consist of a verb and a preposition or adverb. For example, the phrasal verb, give up, means to quit or stop trying, which is different from the basic meaning of the verb, give. Understanding phrasal verbs is crucial because they are common in everyday English conversation and writing. But what makes them tricky is that they can be separable or inseparable. Let's explore that next. Separable phrasal verbs are those where the verb and the preposition or adverb can be separated by the object. For instance, consider the phrasal verb, turn off. You can say, please turn off the light, or, please turn the light off. The meaning remains the same in both instances. Here are a few more examples. Pick up the papers, pick the papers up. Fill out the form, fill the form out. As a general rule, pronouns must be placed between the verb and the preposition in separable phrasal verbs. So we say, pick it up, not, pick up it. Inseparable phrasal verbs, on the other hand, cannot be split. The verb and the preposition or adverb must stay together. An example of this is the phrasal verb, run into, which means to meet someone unexpectedly. We say, I ran into my old friend, not, I ran my old friend into. Here are some more examples. We are looking after the children, not, we are looking the children after. He takes after his father, not, he takes his father after. While the general rule for separable phrasal verbs allows for flexibility, some separable phrasal verbs do not permit the verb and the preposition to be separated. For example, we generally say, I will see you off, not, I will see off you. Therefore, it's crucial to familiarize yourself with common phrasal verbs and their patterns through practice and exposure. Phrasal verbs may seem a little tricky at first, but remember, understanding and using them correctly can significantly enhance your English fluency. The key is to practice and expose yourself to as many phrasal verbs as possible. Thank you for joining me today in unraveling the fascinating world of phrasal verb patterns and variations. Keep practicing, and soon you'll master this part of English grammar. Happy learning!